LightWELD handheld laser welding systems are designed to revolutionize your weld quality and, more importantly, improve your bottom line. LightWELD laser welding is fast, easy to learn, and produces high-quality, consistent results across a wide range of materials and thicknesses. Pre-weld and post-weld laser cleaning functionality optimizes weld quality while increasing productivity. To learn more, continue watching this video. For a quote or to arrange your live demo, contact BlueTech Machinery by simply calling 704-288-5777. LightWELD travel speed is up to 4 times faster than traditional methods. Fixturing is simpler or not necessary, and post-weld grinding or sanding is not needed or significantly reduced, all of which increases productivity while minimizing rework. You can easily weld dissimilar metals like copper to stainless steel or to aluminum, plus parts with different thicknesses across all weld joint types: T, butt, corner, lap, and edge. Standard MIG wire is fed into the laser weld to increase the size of the weld bead or overcome poor part fit-up. Fusion welding. The laser produces a constant stream of light for maximum penetration and travel speed. Pulsed welding. The laser produces pulses of light to lower travel speed and heat input, creating a stacked dimes appearance. Tack weld. The laser delivers a controlled amount of energy to produce identical tack welds. Stitch welding, used for creating multiple tack or overlap welds. High peak power mode. Short bursts of high power are used to weld reflective metals. BlueTech Machinery is here to help with your handheld laser welding questions. Visit us online or simply call us 704-288-5777. Thanks for watching.